Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Hi students, in these sessions we are going to discuss remaining chemical properties of carboxylic acid part 4. Already in my previous sessions I completed 4 categories of chemical properties from the carboxylic acid. Now here in this session, reactions due to alkyl group. From the carboxylic acid, alkyl groups are involved in the cleavage, hence to form some special compounds. So that's why this category name is a reactions due to alkyl group. The reaction due to alkyl group. In this category, the first one is a halogenation. First one, halogenation. It means halogens are involved in this process. That's why it's called halogenation. Actually, this common name is a HVZ reaction. HVZ reaction. What is the full form of HVZ? Hell-Walhard-Zielinski. Very, very important reaction. Hell-Walhard-Zielinski. Zielinski. Zielinski. Hell-Walhard-Zielinski. This is commonly named HVZ reaction. So, in the halogenation, what happened? When a carboxylic acid, listen Nana, when a carboxylic acid that contains alpha hydrogen atom is treated with halogen such as chlorine or bromine in the presence of catalyst like red phosphorus or iodine or iron, the alpha hydrogen atoms are replaced by the chlorine or bromine atom. The reactions occur in the presence of the sunlight or boiling acid is known as the HVZ reaction. It's nothing but Hell-Walhard-Zielinski reaction. So here very, very important point, my dear student. From the alkyl group are separated with the help of the halogenation. With the help of the halogenation. Here halogens are nothing but either chlorine or bromine. Either chlorine or bromine. It's a very, very important chemical properties from the category of reactions due to the alkyl group. Reaction due to the alkyl group. So if any one of the halogen are involved react with carboxylic acid in the presence of the red phosphorus catalyst, the entire the chemical reaction name is the HVZ reaction. Okay ma? Hell-Walhard-Zielinski reaction. Now see here, this is the carboxylic acid, is nothing but acetic acid. In the presence of chlorine, the catalyst is the red phosphorus. Remove of HCl, minus HCl, one hydrochloric acid molecule is eliminated, hence one more products are obtained, that is nothing but chloroacetic acid. Chloroacetic acid. From the chlorine, one chlorine, and from acetic acid one hydrogen is eliminated as a HCl, hence chloroacetic acid is are obtained. This chloroacetic acid again continuously treated with the chlorine. It's nothing but substitutional reaction. So this chloroacetic acid again treated with the chlorine, in the presence of same red phosphorus catalyst, again one more HCl molecule is eliminated, then dichloroacetic acids are formed. This is dichloroacetic acid. This dichloroacetic acid again will continuously substitutions reactions with the chlorine in the presence of the red phosphorus, again one more HCl molecules are eliminated, finally trichloroacetic acids are obtained. Trichloroacetic acids are obtained. These are the hallucination process, especially whenever carboxylic acid treated with chlorine, or instead of the chlorine just you will use also bromine. But catalyst, what kind of catalyst are there here? Red phosphorus or iodine or iron also used as a catalyst in this reaction. So in board level, my dear students, 2 mark or 1 mark point of view, HVZ reactions are very important. What is the HVZ reaction? It's nothing but Hell-Holhard-Zelensky reaction. It means whenever carboxylic acid treated with halogen in the presence of the red phosphorus and through substitutional reaction of the halogenation, hence trichloroacetic acids are obtained. Trichloroacetic acids are obtained. This is the very important chemical properties from the category of reactions due to the alkyl group. And now see here one more equation, my dear students, carefully observe here. In this equation, the reaction does not stop at mono substitution but continuously till all the alpha hydrogen atoms are replaced. All the hydrogen atoms are replaced. That is the most important. The reaction does not stop actually at mono substitutions but continuously till all the alpha hydrogen atoms are replaced. For example, in a given carboxylic acid, how many alpha hydrogens are present here? The all alpha hydrogens are removed as a HCl group. Then up to completions of the alpha hydrogen, this reaction is going on. So it is not a stop. Up to how many alpha hydrogens are present in the given carboxylic acid, the all alpha hydrogen are eliminated up to this chemical reaction is going on. Okay ma? That is the most important. After all alpha hydrogens are completed, the chemical reaction should be stopped. Okay na? This is the, see here, carboxylic acid. In this carboxylic acid, COOH group directly attaches to the CH2 group. Here this is alpha carbon. In the alpha carbon contains 2 hydrogen. It means in this compound 2 alpha hydrogens are there. After 2 alpha hydrogens are connected to chlorine, remove of HCl, finally the alpha hydrogens are completed, the reaction should be stopped. See, for example here, this carboxylic acid treated with chlorine in the presence of red phosphorus and HCl is eliminated. From chlorine, from the chlorine Cl2 molecule, 1 chlorine atom, and from the acidic acid, from the alpha hydrogen, 1 alpha hydrogen is separated, alpha chlorinated acids are obtained. Alpha chlorinated acids are obtained. It means instead of the 2 alpha hydrogen, 1 chlorine is occupied and 1 hydrogen is removed. Okay ma? Hence alpha chlorinated acids are present. In this alpha chlorinated acid, alpha carbon contains only 1 hydrogen. This product, alpha chlorinated acid, again treated with chlorine in the presence of the red phosphorus, 1 more alpha hydrogens are eliminated as a HCl, and finally product is obtained, that is called alpha dash dichloroacid. Okay ma? One important point is, my dear students, the halogenation process, generally substitutional reaction, this process generally does not stop because of how many alpha hydrogens are present in the given carboxylic acid. The alpha hydrogen treated with chlorine are eliminated as a HCl up to this chemical reactions is going on. That is a most important key point. Okay ma? Now one more important point, see here. It may be noted that bromination are exclusively occurs at the alpha position and the reaction stop after the all alpha hydrogen atoms have been replaced by the bromine water. See, my dear student, in case of instead of the chlorine, just you will use bromine up to completions of alpha hydrogen, the reaction does not continues. That is the most important one. And see here, one chemical properties are there, alpha chloropropanoic acid, and whenever treated with alkali, it means alpha halogenated acid act as a starting material for the preparing of the other substitutional acids, where halogen atom can be easily replaced by the number of groups such as alcohol group or cyanide group or ammonia group. Now in this chemical reaction, my dear students, alpha chloropropanoic acid, here chlorine group is there, whenever treated with alkali, here sodium hydroxide and sodium cyanide or ammonia gas and silver nitrites, so these are the connected with alpha chloropropanoic acid, these are the product. So here alcohol groups are obtained, cyanide groups are obtained, and also acid groups are obtained, finally nitro groups also obtained. Now see here, alpha chloropropanoic acid treated with sodium hydroxide, lactic acids are obtained. So after remove of the NaCl, lactic acids are obtained. This lactic acid IUPAC name is alpha hydroxypropanoic acid. Underline this one. Lactic acid is a common name, but IUPAC nomenclature of the lactic acid, alpha hydroxypropanoic acid. Alpha hydroxypropanoic acid, the chemical formula of this compound CH3CHOH and COOH da. Aprama alpha chloropropanoic acid treated with sodium cyanide or sodium nitrile to remove of the NaCl, to remove of NaCl, hence alpha cyanopropanoic acids are formed. Alpha cyanopropanoic acids are obtained. Okay ma, this is the second one. And third one, alpha chloropropanoic acid treated with ammonia, ammonium chloride is eliminated to form alpha aminopropanoic acids are obtained. Alpha aminopropanoic acids are obtained. This is the third chemical properties. And alpha chloropropanoic acid treated with AgNO2, silver nitrate, and had happened 2 nitropropanoic acids are obtained. 2 nitropropanoic acids are obtained. These are the generally alpha chloropropanoic acid whenever treated with these chemicals, these are the product. Ultimately, my dear student, from this chemical reaction, halogenation, it means carboxylic acid whenever treated with halogen, that is nothing but HVZ reaction. This is a substitutional reaction. Actually, substitutional reaction is depending on the alpha hydrogen. If number of alpha hydrogens are present in the given carboxylic acid, the substitutional reaction will be continuous long time. So this reaction is not easily to stop. Up to completions of the alpha hydrogen, the reactions is going on. That's why this is a most important chemical reaction, HVZ chemical reaction. It's nothing but Hell-Walhard-Zielinski reaction. Okay ma? This is the category of the reactions due to the alkyl group. From the carboxylic acid, listen carefully, from the carboxylic acid, here alkyl groups are involved in this reaction. Okay nana? And next one, a third and last and final chemical properties category of carboxylic acid, reactions due to aryl group. It's also substitution reactions of benzene. Okay nana? Here is, listen, one important statement. The benzene ring of benzoic acid undergoes the usual electrophilic substitution reaction such as nitration, sulfonation and halogenation, since the COOH group in benzoic acid is an electron withdrawing group and therefore it is a meta directing group. It decreases the electron density at benzene ring and hence deactivates it towards electrophilic substitutions reaction only under drastic condition. Only under the drastic condition. These are the reactions due to aryl group. It's a substitutional reactions of benzene. Important point, my dear students, the benzene ring of benzoic acid, this is a benzoic acid benzene ring. The benzene ring of benzoic acid undergoes the usual electrophilic substitutional reaction. It's involved in the electrophilic substitutional reaction such as either nitration or sulfonation or halogenation. Hence what happened, the COOH group is benzoic acid and with electron withdrawing group and therefore it is a meta directing group. It is a meta directing group, hence it decrease the electron density at benzene ring. இப்போ இது separated na COOH group separated from the benzene ring. Now the electron density on the benzene ring decreases. The electron density on the benzene ring is decreases. Now see some examples are there right now. This is the benzoic acid. Whenever treated with HNO3, this process is generally called nitration process. Hence, 3-nitrobenzoic acids are obtained. 3-nitrobenzoic acids are obtained. This is the nitration process. And similarly, benzoic acid, whenever treated with concentrated of sulfuric acid through the sulfonation process, these are the compounds are obtained. This compound name is 3-sulfonic benzoic acid or 3-sulfonic benzonic acid. And last and final, this is the bromination process. It means halogen group is directly attaches to the benzene ring and the optimum condition, hence 3-bromobenzoic acids are obtained. My dear students, most important key point from this category, whenever aryl group is nothing but COOH group directly attaches to the benzene ring. So COOH group directly attaches to the benzene ring, that is called benzoic acid. From the benzoic acid, COOH group is eliminated as a electron withdrawing group. Hence, that decrease the electron density on the benzene ring. These are the complete carboxylic acid chemical properties, my dear students. I successfully completed in my last 4-5 classes only carboxylic acid chemical properties. Okay, Nana? Already discussed some important chemical properties, especially named reaction. Every students are focused on especially named reaction and try to do practice, Nana. All organic chemical properties are very important. Every day at least 5 or 6 chemical properties are do practice. Okay, Nana? Now, the entire carboxylic acid chemical properties is completed right now in different type of the categories. Now, test for carboxylic acid. It's nothing but confirmation test for the carboxylic acid. It's a general test for the carboxylic acid. You know, carboxylic acid is a acid. The basic test is the litmus paper test. The litmus, you know, in the chemistry laboratory, 2 different type of litmus papers are there. Blue color litmus paper and red color litmus paper. Simple code, write down in your notebook. BAR. Bar is nothing but not a bar and restaurant. Here BAR means blue color litmus paper converted into the red color, that is nothing but A stands for acids. So my dear students, how we will confirm the litmus test in laboratory, especially for acids? Blue color litmus paper converted into red, that is the acid. It means if blue color litmus paper keep it in the acid, the blue color litmus paper immediately into red color. It's indicated the acid is dangerous. So red color is indicated the acids are dangerous. So blue color litmus paper converted into red, that is the acid. In case of bases are present in the laboratory, red color litmus paper converted into the blue. Okay, ma'am? This is a litmus test of carboxylic acid. First one, see, the aqueous solutions of the acid turns blue litmus to red. Second one, the aqueous solutions of the acid gives brisk effervescence of carbon dioxide with sodium bicarbonate and sodium carbonate. It's also another laboratory confirmation test of the carboxylic acid. For example, if you will take some quantity of carboxylic acid, just add it to either sodium bicarbonate or sodium carbonate, immediately carbon dioxide gas is liberated through brisk effervescence. It means some fumes are coming outside. So this is the second confirmation test of the carboxylic acid with the help of the sodium bicarbonate and sodium carbonate. And the third one, on heating with alcohol and concentrated sulfuric acid, a fruity smelling of ester is formed. Okay, ma? This is also another confirmation test of the carboxylic acid. For example, if you take a little bit quantity of the carboxylic acid, just immediately to add it either alcohol or sulfuric acid, one fruity smell of ester is formed. This is the confirmation test of the carboxylic acid, especially in the laboratory. Okay, Nana? 3 confirmation tests. Number 1, litmus test. Number 2, sodium bicarbonate and sodium carbonate test. Number 3, if either alcohol or sulfuric acid added to the carboxylic acid to give a fruity smell of ester is obtained, that is also another confirmation test of the carboxylic acid. And another fourth one, Acetic acid give blood red color. Acidic acids gives blood red color or wine red color on treatment with ferric chloride. If ferric chloride, FeCl3, ferric chloride whenever added to the acetic acid, especially acetic acid, acetic acid means vinegar, acetic acid, blood red color or wine red colors are obtained. This is the confirmation test of the acetic acid with the help of the ferric chloride. Now see here, my dear students, CH3COOH and FeCl2 is gives rise to CH3. It's a ferric acetate is obtained. Ferric acetate, additionally hydrochloric acid is also liberated. And fifth one chemical properties, test, confirmation test. Benzoic acid gives buff color on treatment with neutral ferric chloride. This is also this acetic acid, kila benzoic acid. Benzoic acid to gives with ferric chloride buff color. That is the most important. And see here, this is a benzoic acid treated with FeCl3, ferric benzoate is obtained, and finally hydrochloric acid is also liberated. And here very important, neutral solutions of formic acid. Neutral solutions of formic acid gives red color precipitate with Pahaling solution. Important formic acid to give red color precipitate with the combination of the Pahaling solution, and similarly formic acids also give black color precipitate with the Tollens reagent. And sometimes, my dear students, mercuric chloride also give white color precipitate with the changes gray black color. So formic acid whenever treated with mercuric chloride to give white color precipitate with the changes to the gray color black. These are the test for carboxylic acid in laboratory and also industrialization. So the basic test of the any acid, litmus test and this is a phenolphthalein test is also there. Different type of the tests are there, especially the carboxylic acid, familiar carboxylic acid such as acetic acid or benzoic acid. These are the confirmation test. Okay Nana? And last and final, uses of carboxylic acid. Now see here, acetic acid is used as a vinegar in the manufacturing of pickles. Vinegar is a weak acid, so it's a light sour taste. That's why it is used in the manufacturing of different type of the pickles, mango pickles or another pickles. So this is a first. But if you use more quantity of acetic acid, definitely you will face some ulcer problem in the stomach. That's why in Chinese food items frequently they are used in the vinegar. But if you use more quantity of the vinegar, definitely ulcer problems are coming inside of the stomach. But generally in the manufacturing of pickles, acetic acid are used as a vinegar. And second one, acetic acid is used in the manufacturing of the plastic. Plastic industry, acetic acids are generally used. For example, polyvinyl acetate, PVA, very very important. What is the full form of PVA? Polyvinyl acetate. And rayon, rayon is a cellulose acetate. Rayon is also artificial silk, the rayon, and also silk industry. So acetic acid is generally used in the manufacturing of plastic industry. And third one, acetic acid is used in the manufacturing of lead acetate and also used as a anti-knocking agent. Underline this point, most important, anti-knocking agent. Where is used acetic acid? Acetic acid is used in the manufacturing of lead acetate and also used as anti-knocking agent. What is the anti-knocking agent actually? Anti-knocking agents are the chemical compounds. It's added to the small quantity to the motor fuels, bike fuels or car fuels, motor fuels, to improve the anti-knock, to improve the anti-knock. So if any engine problems are there, the inside of the engine, this type of the solutions, anti-knocking is the acetic acids are used, you know, battery low acids are used, so it's a anti-knocking agents. So what is the uses of anti-knocking agents? Especially the anti-knocking agents are used in the motor fuels. Next one, fourth one, salts of benzoic acid are used as a urinary antiseptic. So any urine antiseptics are there, that salt of benzoic acids are generally used as a cream, antiseptic creams in the urinary problems. And last and final, my dear students, benzoic acid is used in the treatment of skin diseases like eczema, very important one, eczema. So eczema is one of the skin diseases in chemistry language, and it is benzoic acids are generally to use the treatment of the skin diseases. My dear students, eczema is a condition that makes your skin turns is a red and scaly or itchy. Actually doctors might call it dermatitis. Doctors might call it, this disease name is eczema, disease name is a dermatitis. So in red color skin is like that, that's type of scaly or itchy type of skin is there, that is commonly known as a eczema diseases. It's one of the skin diseases. In the skin diseases, to treatment with help of benzoic acids. Okay, Nana? Now the entire the carboxylic acid chapter is completed right now. All chemical properties, physical properties, nomenclature and uses, test for carboxylic acid. In my next class, I will go to start amines, very important, another chapter, new chapter, organic compound containing the nitrogen atoms. Okay, ma?